Okay, where the big problem is here now is this. As you can see, James appears to be in the serial number 2, which don't supposed to be like that. James to be number 1. So what am I going to do? You come to this place, you merge this, right? You first of all remove that one, you merge this. So you can call this, you merge and center, right? If you do that, that is your serial number. Okay, you come to this place now. You can rewrite your serial number. Let me say I'm operating up to 10 students. Okay, so I'm working on 10 students. The first person there is James. I have Samuel. And I have somebody like Joy. Okay, so these are the 10 students I have in this. So the next other thing that we are going to do now is pay close attention to this. The CA of English is